advantage, no? Advantage na advantage kasi yung sa Caltech. So, sige, pwede po kayong pwede po yung inquire, no, sa Facebook page po namin sa Excel. Okay? Okay, or you can message me, no, kung may questions kayo. So, sige. Anyway, continue tayo, guys. All right? Okay, are we still here? Okay? Yee. Yee. Lumig dito, guys. Sorry. Okay. Okay, sir, ano po yung calculus, sir, ang need, sir? Dito po sa sa meme review, guys, we were using, guys, 570 ES plus. Okay, I think yung sa CE, guys, parang medyo mas strict po yung board, yung CE boards, no? PRC board nyo, guys, no? Um, ibang calculator ata yung pwede sa inyo, no? So we're still working on a different version, no? Okay? But for now, guys, 570 ES plus pa yung meron, guys. Okay? Alright? So anyway, meron naman din po kami mga programs para sa CE, no? So if later na lang po, no? If may gusto ko yung inquire na lang po sa FB page. Okay? So they will point you to the right direction. Okay? Sige, tuloy natin yung class natin, no? Let's go. Okay, dito na lang. Okay. So problem number 3. Okay, problem number 3. From the top of a 200-meter high building, the angle of depression. Uy, depression daw. Okay, di ba kapag depressed, no? Pag ganyan, no? Depressed, no? So naka-point bababa, no? So that might be, or that is the angle of depression. Okay? So natin. So from the top of a 200-meter high building, so ito po yung 200 meter natin. Okay, ito po yung ground. Ito po yung 200-meter high building. Okay, this is 200 meters. 200 meters. Okay? And then, from the top of this building, okay, yung angle of depression is, okay, from the horizontal pointing downwards. So, pag ganito. Okay. So, yung angle of depression is 20 degrees down. Sige, 20 degrees. Okay. Okay, next. From the same point, the angle of elevation to the top of the second building is 10 degrees. Malamang, guys, yung second building is higher kasi nag-elevate pa, no? Angle of elevation is pa upwards naman. Okay, so yung angle of elevation is like this. Okay? So, ito po yung building or second building natin. Okay, move ko to. Alright. Erase. Uy, ano ba yan? Erase. Okay, 10 degrees. Okay, yung elevation. 10. Okay. So the question is, calculate the height of the second building. Madalas po yung question ganito, no? What's the height of the building? Ganyan. Okay, given this angle and ganyan. So, sige, let's try to answer this question and see if we could find the answer, no? Height ng building. Yun po yung question. So, first is maghanap tayo ng triangles kasi mas madali silang i-solve. Okay? So, we have one triangle here and another triangle at the top. Sige. Fill in natin po yung mga empty parts ng triangle. So, for this one, yung 200 meters natin dito sa building, pwede lang natin siyang i-move. That might be this one, no? 200 meters to. 200 meters. Okay? So, for this triangle, guys, okay, right triangle po siya. We have 200 meters and then 20 degrees. Okay? So, ano pong gagamitin natin? So, with that one, pwede natin i-solve to, no? We can solve for this one, si y. Okay? And then, kapag may y na tayo, pwede natin po i-solve si, I'll change this to x na lang, kasi horizontal, no? X. Ito, y. Okay. So may y, may x. Sige. So let's solve muna guys si x. Okay, anong value ni x? Okay, may value pa ba si x guys? Joke. Sorry, hindi ko napigilan. Okay. So, meron pang value si x ha. Okay. Huwag naman sobrang harsh. Okay. So, ito po yung triangle natin. So, for that triangle, ano ba pwede gamitin natin? Tangent, no? I think we can use tangent. Tangent 20. Tangent 20 degrees. Okay. Tangent 20 degrees. Ayan, may nag-answer na. Ang bilis, no? Very nice. Sige, so, let's go. Tangent 20 degrees is opposite over adjacent. Opposite. Parang tangent ulit yung gagamitin natin, no? Opposite over adjacent x. Okay, so si x is 200 over tangent 20. Alright, next. Since okay na po yung x, let's go with y. I think that's also tangent, no? Tangent ulit. Tangent 10 degrees is equal to opposite, which is y, over x. So, times naman po siya, no? So, y is equal to x tangent of 10. Alright, so since this is x, so times na lang natin. 20 over tangent 20 times tangent 10. Yun po yung y. Okay? So finally, yung height natin is 200 plus the additional y. Okay? If you already have your answer, so sige, check natin na 200 plus y. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Add na natin. H is 200 plus, ano to? 200 over tangent 20. Then i-times natin. Times tangent ng 10. Okay, para isahan na lang guys yung pag-solve sa calculator. Let's go. So answer is malamang 200 something. 290. Yan. 296.89. 89. Nice. Meters? Okay. Check. Okay. So sa choices, ito po yung pinakamalapit. Okay, 0.9. Congrats. Okay. Sakto guys. Yes. Okay, that's problem number 3. Okay. Okay, let's move. Ano na tayo? Check natin ha. Ano pong next? Number 4. Ay, hindi siya nag-move. Wait lang. Okay, number 4 tayo. Sige, bilisan natin po. Number 4. Okay, so alam na natin po yung elevations, no? Sige, let's go. The angle of elevation of a hot air balloon climbing vertically changes from 25 degrees to 60 degrees when it was 10 o'clock to 10:02. Sige, drawing muna natin. Okay? Alright, solution. Okay? By the way, guys, nakapag-note po ba kayo dito sa number 3? Okay lang? Alright ha? Sige, number 4 na tayo. Sige, number 4. Okay. Sige. So number 4, may nag-o-observe, no? Meron nag-o-observe dito ng hot air balloon. Sige, kunyari drawing natin. So meron nag-o-observe. Okay? Yan, nag-o-observe siya. Ang cute. Okay. Ganyan, no? Yang weird tingnan. Okay. So may nag-o-observe ng hot air balloon. Ito po yung line of sight yung horizon niya. Okay? So yung balloon, kunyari dito pa nag-start yung balloon. No? Balloon. Umaakyat yung balloon, no? In a straight line. Okay? It's rising upwards. Okay? And yung elevation or angle of elevation are changing. So yung first angle of elevation is 25 degrees. So this is another color, no? 25 degrees. Okay, and the second one is 60 degrees. Okay, Wait lang. Okay. Ba't nag-bend to? Okay, okay na yan. Okay na yan. 60 degrees. Sige. Alright. Okay, next. So, ano pong, sige, 25 degrees siya nung 10 o'clock. Pero nung 10:02, naging 60 degrees. Okay. So, ano pala yung question dito? The point of observation of the angle of elevation is situated 300 meters away. Okay, sige. Noted, no? Noted na yung distance pala, distance towards the, sige, towards the balloon, okay, towards this balloon, okay, is 300 meters. Okay. So, question, what is the upward speed assumed constant of the balloon? Ano daw po yung constant or ano pong speed? Assuming that it's constant. So, speed. Speed pala yung question dito. Ano pong formula ng speed natin? Speed is, ayusin natin. Speed is distance over time. Ay, ano ba to? Distance over time. Okay, do we know the distance? Do we know the distance? Na, 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 na. Joke lang. Okay, distance. Distance, no? We don't know the distance, no? Okay? Yung time, guys, alam natin, no? The time is 2 minutes, no? 2 minutes. Okay, so yun po yung interval. So distance over time yung kailangan, but we don't know the distance. Sige. So solve natin po yung distance. Maghanap tayo ng triangles na na pwede nating i-draw. Okay? So this might be one side, no? So draw tuloy natin dito. So may triangle tayo na right triangle. Okay? So we might be needing this one, this angle, this distance. Ito, si y. So add natin siya. Okay. So, parang tangent ulit tayo, no? Sige, tangent ulit tayo. Ito po yung triangle natin, ito po yung angle. So, opposite tsaka adjacent yung important. Sige. So, dito tayo sa mas maliit na triangle. Tangent of 25 degrees is equal to opposite over adjacent. All right, that's y is equal to 300 tangent of 25. Okay, next. Tangent of 60. Tangent of 60 is opposite. Okay, kompleto po silang dalawa to d plus y divided by total, this is 1. This is 300. Okay. So, anyway, substitute na lang natin. That's, tangent of 60 degrees equals d plus 300 times tangent of 25 over 300. Alright, so pwede niyo pong shop solve. If hindi niyo pa na-try sa calculator, mag-shop solve. Okay? Pwede niyo pong i-input lang po sa calculator. Press shift and calc. Okay, meron ganyan guys, no? Meron kasi nakalagay guys na solve sa taas. Kaya shift solve yung tawag natin. Shift solve. Okay? So distance, may ano pong sagot natin? This is 300 something. No, wala sa choices yung answer kasi speed yan. 300. Right, thank you po. 379.72. 379.72. Okay, meters, no? Meters. Okay, so alam na natin po yung distance. Nice. So yung speed na ngayon. No? Speed na lang yung kulang. So speed, ano pong speed natin? This is 379.72 meters. Okay? In a span of 2 minutes. Pero gusto natin seconds, no? So times 60 seconds per minute. Okay. So answer is letter. Ano pong sagot natin, guys? Yun. 3.16. Okay, 3.16 meters per second. Very nice. Okay. Ayan, letter B. Letter B. Okay? Picture, picture. Huh, huh. Okay, hindi tayo gumagamit ng ano ha, cosine, sine, kasi para at least maiwasan nating gumamit ng hypotenuse. Wala kasing binigay na value, no? So, um, wag na lang, wag na lang kasi walang binigay na value. Sige. Okay na? Okay na tayo dito? Alright. So, guys, right triangles are very, very easy. No? Madali lang po mag-solve. Okay? Gamit yung mga right triangles. Okay. So, dito po tayo sa sa oblique, no? When you say triangles that are not right triangles, oblique po yung tawag natin sa kanila. Okay? Move on tayo ha. Move on. Let's go. Oblique triangles. So, I have two laws here. Dalawang law po yung i-discuss natin. Okay? So, yung goal kasi natin is to be able to solve the triangle. Solve natin yung sides, tsaka yung angles. Okay. If, guys, binigyan tayo ng two sides and one opposite angle, again, two sides and opposite angle, kunyari, guys, ito na po yung binigay, tsaka ito. Okay? And then, binigay, guys, yung angle. Ganyan. So, A, B, and then A. Ano pong law, guys, yung gagamitin natin? Sine, cosine, or tangent? Sine, cosine, or tangent? Okay? Naalala po ba sa school? Sine, cosine, or tangent? Okay ha? Tandaan kasi yung tangent lang talaga na function that's used for right triangles. Okay? Yung question ko ngayon, guys, is yung laws. Law of cosine, law of sines, law of tangent. Okay? So for this one, guys, usually sine law po yung gamit natin. Okay? Ano pong reason kung bakit sine law? Kasi, meron na kasi tayong pairs. Tingnan nyo, guys. Dito kasi sa dalawa, meron na kasi tayong A tsaka angle. Opposite. So, okay na ito, tsaka ito. Okay? And then, since may B tayong isa, check. So, pwede natin i-solve yung capital B. And once mayroon na pong capital B, masosolve natin po yung iba. Okay? Alright, sine law, sine law. Ano pa, aside from sine law, we also have what we call, two angles and one side. So, kapag binigyan tayo ng dalawang angle, alright, two angles, for example, A and B, and then one side. So, eto. Again, nag-work siya kasi may pair tayo. May pair, oh. Sila yung ka-pair. Okay? Alright. So, yun po yung kay sine law, no? Sine law. So, how about yung kay cosine? Kay cosine, two sides and one included angle. Meaning, the angle must be in between. Okay? In between. So, for example, dalawang sides, tsaka isang angle. Ayan. So, two sides and one angle, masasolve natin po ito. We can solve for this one. Okay? Pwede din, guys, tatlong sides lang, no? If given lang ng tatlong sides, pwede. Pwede natin isolve kay yung whole triangle using those values, no? So, that's for cosine. Okay? So, hopefully, hanggang ngayon, guys, memorize pa rin natin si cosine. Square root of a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine c. Okay? Cosine law. Okay. Hopefully, natandaan pa natin. Okay? Or if not, guys, i-note nyo na lang. Note. Okay? Sige, I have question for everyone. So kung sino lang guys yung familiar dito, sige. I have a question. What if lang? Ay, sorry. What if lang, guys? Kunyari, what if three angles yung given? Binigyan guys ng tatlong angles. Ano pong klaseng law yung gamitin? Sine law, cosine law, tangent law. Let's go. Pam 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 param. Maliwanag to, no? Ang dark naman. Sine law, cosine law, or tangent law? Parang intriguing yung tangent law, no? Kasi hindi natin na-mention. Ano kaya na, ano kaya nandun sa, sa tangent law? Sige. How about the others? No, meron na nag-answer. No? How about the others? Anong sagot niya? Sige. Sige nga. Mhm, mhm, mhm. All right, no? Sige guys, I'm sorry guys. Um, I'm sorry kasi it's a trick question. Hindi kasi siya ma-solve. Do you agree? Do you agree, guys? Sige. Looking back, pwede po bang ma-solve kapag tatlong angles yung binigay? As in, tatlong angles lang talaga. Is it solvable kapag ganyan? Parang hindi, no? Okay, I'll give you one example. A simple example. Kunyari, guys, um, if I say, guys, na 60 yung kada angle dito. 60. Masasabi niyo ba, guys, yung yung sides? Would you know, guys, yung sides ng triangle na to? O, di ba 60? Kapag 60 degrees yung kada side, equilateral to, no? Equiangular. So, masasabi ba natin anong sides dito? No, di ba? Kasi, equilateral triangles can vary. Pwede pong sobrang liit, pwedeng sobrang laki, no? So, equilateral triangles, it can be different values, no? So, ganyan din po kapag tatlong angles. Given only three angles, we cannot know the value. So, unsolvable po sila. Okay? So, thank you po sa mga nag-try, guys. But, trick question kasi siya. Okay? So, please take note. Please note, ha, na hindi siya ma-solve. Sige. So, sige. Napaka-intriguing ng, no, ng tangent law. So, ano pa meron, sir, sa tangent law? Bakit may tangent law pa? Sige. Take note. Take note po yung slide na to. Let's move to the next. So, tingnan niyo guys yung yung purpose ng tangent law. The tangent law can solve this scenario kapag may dalawang sides tsaka isang included angle. Saan natin nabasa to? Okay? This is a scenario for, balik natin. Scenario po siya para sa cosine law, no? Two sides and an included angle. Parang redundant na, no? Redundant. Okay? So, cosine law na lang, no? Cosine law. Sir, what if gusto kong tangent law, sir? Sige. Tingnan niyo guys yung tangent law. Gusto niyo bang i-memorize? Okay? A minus B over A plus B. Diba? And then ito, tangent ng A minus B over 2, tangent A plus B over 2. O, diba? Ang hassle. Tingnan. Okay? So guys, ano lang guys i-take note niyo lang si tangent law. Okay? Pero hindi siya madalas ginagamit. Okay? Okay na po yung tangent law. Cosine law, sine law. Sige, let's move on na. Move on na tayo, guys. Sige. Move on tayo and I'll want to answer this problem. Okay, para ma-try natin mag-solve. Let's go. Problem number 5. A rocket tracking facility has two radar stations, A and B. Okay, nagtatrack sila ng rocket, no? Rocket. Okay. So these two stations are placed ayun na naman tayo, no? Are placed 1.69 miles apart. Okay? So let me draw, no? Okay? So iba na guys yung style ng mga rockets ngayon, no? Kasi nakikita niyo ba yung style ng ng SpaceX na So very sleek, no? Sleek yung drawing nila. Drawing yung rockets nila, design, no? So sige, let me copy the design. Okay? Ay, sorry. Ano ba yan? Ganyan, no? Rockets. Pangit ko mag-drawing. Wait lang. Ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. Okay. Okay. Usually, natatawa yung students dito kapag nag-draw ako ng ganito sa face-to-face. So, kasi ang weird daw tingnan. Sige na lang guys, pwede ko bang i-change na lang since recorded naman din to, no? So ayaw ko namang weird yung naka-record. So para sure na lang, ganito na lang po i-drawing natin. Okay lang po ba? Okay. O parang arrow, no? Rocket na lang ha. Okay, yun na lang po yung rocket natin. Okay. So this is a rocket. Okay, pointing straight upwards po yun. Okay, and we have two radar stations on the ground. Two radar stations, A and B. Okay, let me draw. Si A and si B are on the same side. Okay, so nandito po sila sa, let's say, sa right side. So 1.69 guys yung distance po nila. 1.69 miles. So which lock onto a rocket and constantly transmit the angle of elevation? So angle of elevation po, no? So let me draw. Angle of elevation dito, tsaka angle of elevation dun sa isa. Okay, so angle of elevation means, okay, this one. Okay, so yung angles will be, ano pong sabi dito? Okay, the angles of elevation to a computer. Find the distance to the rocket from station A at the moment when the angles of elevation from the tracking station is, or are, 29.3 degrees and 80.2 degrees. Kanina guys yung 29 tsaka yung 80. Okay, may nakasulat kasi respectively, no? So malamang guys yung arrangement nito, A and tsaka B. So ito po yung kay A, ito po yung kay B. Question, sino po mas malapit sa rocket? Okay, or alin sa A tsaka B yung mas malapit sa rocket guys? See? Gets, no? Dapat si, alright, dapat si ano? Dapat si B. O bakit B? Bakit B dapat mas malapit? Okay, kasi mas malaki yung angle. This angle is bigger than the other, which makes sense. The closer you are, the bigger the angle, no? So ito 29.3 lang. Okay, that's A. Okay. So anyway, the question was find the distance to the rocket from the station A. So galing kay A towards the rocket. So this is the question. Ano daw yung value ng X? Okay? Anong value ng X diyan? Sige. So ano pong pwede natin gawin dito? May X the value, may angle. So parang kulang, no? Kulang yung um, information dito. So kailangan natin ng 80.2. So sige, i-draw natin ulit yung ano, yung triangle. Isolate the triangle. So we have this one, that one, and that one. Okay. So kunyari lang, this is 1.69. This is X, and this is 29.3. 29.3. I think 29.3. Okay guys, so ano pong angle po dito sa isa? 80.2 kasi to, no? Isa is 80.2. Malamang guys, yung isa, 180 minus 80.2. That is, ano ba yung 180 minus 80.2? 99.8 degrees, no? 99.8 degrees. Okay. So, guys, dalawang angles guys and isang side. Two angles and one side. So, ano pong gagamitin natin? Alright, magagamit natin si, ano bang nakasulat kanina? Sine law. Alright. Okay, so paano po yan, sir? Okay, solve lang natin po yung remaining na angle. The remaining angle, guys, na kailangan is this one. Okay, pero madali lang kasi may dalawang angles na, no? So, that's 180, yung total, minus 99.8, minus 29.3. Okay, ito po yung angle na yan. Sige. So, okay na okay, guys. By the way, ano pong sagot natin? Dito? 180. Sige nga, solve ko din dito. 180 minus 99.8 minus 29.3. That is 50.9. Tama po ba? Yes. Okay. 50.9. No? Yes. Okay, tama. 50.9. Alright. So, guys, okay na, no? Okay na kasi may pair tayo. Pair kasi yung hinahanap kapag sign, no? So kapag sign pair, so we have one value opposite dito. Yes. Okay, and then yung pair eto, tsaka eto. Sila po yung pair. Okay. So solve na natin, no? Sign law tayo. Sign law. By sign law, that is 1.69 over sine 50.9 equals ano ba yan? X over sine of 99.8. Yay! So ano pong sagot natin? X is equal to yun, may answer na. Nasa choices. 2.15 miles. Yes. Very nice. Check. Yay. Okay. Alright, so gumamit tayo ng oblique, no? Oblique triangles, no? So, sige. Note. Alright. By the way, guys, no? Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. Kayo po yung batch, guys, na hmm, if graduating na kayo, 2 years yung pandemic. So, kalahati guys ng college nyo guys is face to face, kalahati is online. Tama po ba? Yes? Tama? No? Okay. Nag face to face kayo and then nag-online. So kayo talaga guys yung batch na no, na masasabi niyo talaga yung difference between face to face and online. Okay? And you'll find na meron talaga siyang advantages tsaka disadvantages, no? Okay, but anyway, syempre, wala kasi tayong choice, no? We always do or make do with what we have, no? Yun lang kasi yung pwede, no? So maging grateful tayo sa mga teachers natin, no, na nag-try talaga provide ng online classes. All right? So nasanay na ba kayo mag-online ganito, no? Na discuss tayo, ganyan. I'm asking kasi kaka-start din guys ng face-to-face ulit namin sa review center. No, nag face-to-face na ulit and I'm having mixed feelings no kasi yung mga students parang ano um parang sobrang tahimik no, parang nasanay sa online, no? So anyway, kayo guys, okay na ba kayo sa online or or would you rather have face-to-face ulit? Okay? Okay? So ano ba? Face-to-face or online? Mas gusto niyo ng face-to-face. How about the others, no? Baka I think ano, baka iba-iba yung mga opinions natin. So face-to-face, all right, face-to-face. How about the others? By the way, okay na po ba si number 5? Okay na 'to, no? All right, face-to-face. Hala, okay. So far parang majority maraming face-to-face. Gusto ko na makita yung si Crush. What a reason, no? What a reason. Online face. Facebook, no? Facebook. Uy, hindi na Facebook, no? Meta na, no? Ibang pangalan na. Okay, face to face talaga, sir. Okay. Okay, aside from no? Aside from makikita talaga natin yung mga teachers natin, syempre makita din natin yung mga crush, no? Okay, hi crush, magkikita na tayo. Okay, so all right. Okay. Pero I mean, sige. Yes, gusto natin mag face to face kasi kapag syempre we are social beings, mas okay talaga kapag pwede na mag-socialize. Pero with regards lang sa classes, effective po ba? 'Di ba? 'Di ba tinatry naman ng no? Tinatry naman natin po lahat, no? Kami din guys, we are trying to make it as effective as possible, no? So, kayo confident na ba kaya guys sa sa mga ganyan online classes? Okay? Or kailangan pa ng ano? Okay? Kailangan pa ng um, kailangan talaga siyang face-to-face. Okay? So, anyway, I know na ano, I know na parang sobrang vague ng question ko, no? But anyway, sige. Wait lang, solve muna natin si problem 6, no? Sige, sa problem 6, guys, this has something to do with bearings, no? Bearings. So, ano po ba yung bearings, no? That's a way to write or to say the direction, okay? Or to tell the location. Okay. So, problem 6. There is a ship sailing due north. Okay, kunyari guys, may ship tayo dito. Ship. Dito po siya nag-start. And it's trying to move upwards. So, nag-move siya towards north. Okay, draw natin yung directions natin. We have north, south, east, west. North, south, east, tsaka west. Okay. So, from this ship, sabi niya, at a certain point, the bearing of a lighthouse 12.8 kilometers away is N 36.3 degrees E. So meron daw lighthouse somewhere, kunyari dito. There is a lighthouse somewhere na yung location niya is or yung bearing niya. Okay? Is this one. Bakit natin nasabi, sir, na dito po siya na direction? Bakit po, sir? Okay? Ano ba ibig sabihin, guys, ng ano? Ng N 36.3 degrees east. Ano ba yan? Ano ba yung notation na to? Okay? N 36.3 degrees east means dito tayo mag-start, dito tayo magpo-point. Starting from the north towards east, no? North towards east, 36 degrees 0.3, no? So dito tayo, no? Ayan. From north towards east, that's 36.3. Okay? Or yung ibang tawag or ibang pagbasa dito, guys, is east of north. Yung east from north, no? East of north. Okay? So sabi ni problem, that's 12.8 kilometers away. Okay? 12.8 kilometers away. Ayan, ito po yung lighthouse natin. Okay? So anyway, so nag-continue lang si boat. Si ship, guys, is it continued north. So nag-travel lang po siya towards north. At the point later on, the bearing of the same lighthouse is S41.9 degrees east. So again, yung boat natin nag-travel siya upwards. Okay, so nag-travel siya somewhere na siya dito. Okay? Ngayon guys, tiningnan niya guys yung lighthouse, the same lighthouse. Iba na guys yung bearing. Okay, ano pong bearing ng lighthouse? Okay, the bearing of the lighthouse is this. Galing po kay south, from south towards east, towards the right. So, pag ganyan. This is 41.9 degrees. Okay? Again, that's from south to east. South to east. Okay? So, the question is, how far has the ship traveled between the two observations? So ito lang pala yung question. Ano daw po yung distance dito? Ito. What is this distance? Galing po from this one towards that one. Distance yung question. Okay. Sige. So, ano pong gagawin natin? May dalawang angles tayo and may isang side. So, syempre, yung kulang na lang is isang angle, no? Let's solve for the other angle and pwede na tayo mag-sine law. Sige, ano pong value ng yung pangatlong angle natin? This is 180 minus 41.9 degrees minus ano to? 36.3 degrees. Okay? Okay, if you would be kind enough to solve. Okay, ano pong sagot natin? Okay, thank you po. 101.8 ang bilis mag-solve. Very nice. Okay, 101.8 degrees. Okay, so ready na tayo guys. Okay, especially na meron na tayong mga pairs, no? Pairs. Saan po bang pairs natin? This is one pair, 1 tsaka 2. Kasi opposite sila. And then si D tsaka si 101. Sige, sine law tayo, sine law. Okay, sine law is ito, distance 12.8 kilometers divided by sine 41.9 is equal to Ito, distance over sine, 101.8. Okay. So, cross-multiply na lang and that's distance, letter, letter, letter C, 18.8 kilometers. Thank you. 18.8 kilometers. Check. Okay. So, yung question kasi guys, no, whether effective guys yung online tsaka face-to-face. Um, if you're interested, okay, to see if effective ba talaga yung yung mga classes online, okay? So, let's focus on kapag nag-review na for the board exam. Effective ba talaga na mag-class online? Okay? Actually, may mga testimony guys yung mga students namin. Okay? And one of them guys was one of them was yung nag-top 2 sa EE words. So sabi niya na ano, um the online classes are the best alternative to face to face, no? So um nag-work talaga yung mga ganyan guys. Okay? So wait lang ha, number 6. Okay. So nag-work talaga 'yan. Okay? So anyway, it depends na lang po sa student tsaka din sa review center na kung saan kayo mag-enroll. Okay? So ayan. Okay, problem number 7. Let's go. Problem number 7 tayo. Yes. Sige, bilisan natin 'to. This is just another variation po ng question kanina. Ano lang siya I think no, I think if I'm not mistaken, gagamit tayo ng cosine law. Okay? Sige, I'll draw and then mag-solve na kayo guys. Okay, let's go, let's go. Problem number 7, solution. I'll draw for you ha. So the pilot flies his plane from point A at 32 degrees east of north. Uy, ano ba yan, no? So start tayo dito. Dito tayo. Kunyari dito, north, north, south, east, west. Okay. Ano nga ibig sabihin ng east of north? Kapag sinabing east of north, meaning galing po kay north, papuntang east. East of north nga, no? So 32 degrees. So malamang ganito po yung drawing, no? Ganyan. Okay? So, in-exaggerate ko lang, no? So, ito po, this is 32 degrees. 32 degrees. East of north. Okay? So, galing north papuntang east. Okay. So, sabi niya guys, yung pilot natin, okay, nag-average siya ng 143 miles per hour for 3 hours. Okay? Para lang makarating dito sa isang airfield. Okay? To get to an airfield at point P. This is point B. Okay, ito po yung point A. Ito po yung point P. So, yung average natin dito na speed was 143, okay, miles per hour. And then 3 hours. 3 hours. Okay, next. Galing po kay airport na B or airfield na B. Nag-travel ulit si pilot. Nag-travel siya ulit. He next flies 69 degrees west of north. West of north. North, west. West ng north. So, 69 degrees. So, malamang ganito, no? Okay, sige. Let's draw. 69 degrees from north to west. 69. Okay? Still, may nakasulat dito na average speed. So, average speed of 129 miles per hour. And then, we have time na 4.5 hours. Okay? So, the question is, ano daw po yung distance from C to A? Saan po ba ito? C. Okay, towards KA. Okay? Sige guys, solve. If you have any idea para dito guys, sige. Solve niyo na. This is distance D. Okay. Pam, pam, pam. Okay, so paano ba yan? Yes, may nag-solve na ba? Bilis niyo mag-solve, guys, no? So, I'm trying to give you time, no? Okay? Para mag-solve kayo. Sige. Alright, so, ito po yung distance. So, syempre, kapag may mga ganito, guys, may mga speed and time, it's best to simplify first, no? Simplify muna natin. Since binigyan tayo ng speed tsaka time, what if distance, no? Gawin natin distance. Distance is speed times time, no? Okay, speed times time. Sige, let's solve. 143 times 3, ano po yan? 143, solve ko dito. Times 3. Tama po ba? 429. 429 miles. Okay, how about the other one? Ano po yung distance natin dito? Distance is V times T. 129 times, ay, may answer na. Ano po answer natin? 652.7? Ano po ba yan? Ah, yun po ba yung answer talaga ng question? Wow. Okay, sige. Akala ko ito po yung naka-times 580.5. Sige, sige. Thank you, 580.5. Alright, 580.5. And then ito po, 429 miles. Okay. So guys, okay na guys yung dalawang sides natin. We know two sides. Okay? If alam na lang natin po yung angle dito, edi ma-solve natin gamit cosine law, no? So sige, ano pong angle natin dito? So let's add some angles. So if this is 69 degrees and then alam natin perpendicular po yun, no? So kailangan natin yung complementary angle. So ano pong value dito? This angle must be 90 minus 69, that's 21. Tama po ba? 21. How about the other? Ano po yung value po ng isa? Thank you. No? 21. How about dito? Ano po yung angle po? Okay. So, this is 58, no? For those who are asking kung bakit po naging 58, pwede niyo pong gawin ganito, no? So, yung angle na to, 32, is the same with this one. 32 din kasi to. This is 32 degrees. Okay, and then since 90 degrees yun, so 90 minus 32, 58. Okay? Sige. So, nag-reduce or nag-simplify yung triangle natin into this one. Alright, nag-simplify siya into 580.5, 429, ano pong sum dito? 79, no? 79 degrees, tsaka D. Okay, so pwede na po yun, no? Pwede na, by cosine law, no? By cosine law. Cosine law. O, pwede na, diretso na tayo. Ano pong cosine law natin? Square root of A, no? A squared, B squared, minus 2AB, cosine of yung angle, which is 79. Okay. So, ano lang, si A, guys, is 580.5. Then si B is 429. Okay, ano pong sagot natin? Okay, malamang ito po yung may sagot kanina, 600. Ayan, 652.7. Okay, do it on your own, guys, ha? Okay? Huwag tayo, guys, mag-depend sa ibang tao, no? Gusto natin independent, kaya natin. Okay? Ayan, so 652.7 miles. Nice. Okay, very nice. Alright, so okay na po yun, no? Okay na, no? Very nice. Okay. Sige, let's move on tayo, no? Move on tayo, guys. So okay na pa tayo sa sine law, sa cosine law, sa right triangles. Okay, so ano pong next natin, sir? Okay? Sir, pwede po ba tayong gumamit ng sine law? Okay, sige, may question, no? Sige, good. Gusto natin, guys, no? Mag-discuss. Sige, sir, can we use sine law? Okay, sige, check natin ha. So, can we use sine law? So, ano po bang information na meron? So, we have two sides. We have one angle. Yung kailangan kasi natin is kailangan natin ng pair, no? So, at this point, wala po tayong pair. We cannot make a pair, 79, and D. Hindi kasi natin po alam yung angle kasi dito. No? We don't know this angle. We also don't know this angle here. No? Or baka ito po yung, hindi kasi natin pwede masabi guys na 32 degrees. No? Some of you might be thinking na 32 degrees yung angle na to. It's not, no? Kasi may konting angle na kulang. Sorry, no? Hindi po perfect yung drawing ko, pero 32 siya, then may konting space. So, hindi natin pwede masabi 32 sa side na to. So, ayun, no? Since kulang po yung angle, so, cosine law na lang, no? Ready na. Okay? Yan. Ako din, nadali din ako dito. Sa first time ko na na-solve yung question, I was thinking na 32 degrees siya. No? So, hindi pala to. Hindi pala to 32 kasi mali lang yung pag-drawing. No? Okay. Sige. Okay. So, sige. Okay na tayo sa right triangles. Okay na tayo sa oblique triangles. Okay, let's go. Alright, so let's go to the different, i-plot natin yung angles natin. Okay, let's try to plot the angles. Okay, sa mathematics, no, mahilig tayo guys, i-merge yung geometry tsaka yung algebra. Kaya guys, nagawa yung analytic, no? Nagawa yung analytic, that's algebra tsaka geometry na nag-merge. No? So, sige. The question is, in what quadrant will angle A terminate if secant A is positive and cosecant A is negative? That's the question. So, saan ba sa coordinate system? So, yung choices is quadrant 1, 2, 3, tsaka 4. Sige. O, review natin sa coordinate system na naaral natin sa school. There are 4 quadrants for the rectangular or Cartesian coordinate system. 4, no? There are 4. Okay, wow. Sige. So there are 4. Okay. So we have quadrant 1, quadrant 2, 3, tsaka 4. So tandaan guys, no? Tandaan always. Yung angles ng mathematics, okay, are always positive kapag counterclockwise yung ikot natin. Ha? Sa isang coordinate system. Ito po usual kasi yung reference natin kasi dito po yung positive x. Okay, so dito po magsa-start yung mga angles. And when the angles travel counterclockwise, positive angles talaga yan. Kapag baliktad, negative na angles. Okay? Negative. Okay. So, sige. Kunyari guys, nag-start yung angle natin dito. The angle started here, and then nag-stop lang siya somewhere sa first quadrant. Okay, if it stops at the first quadrant, it means nag-terminate siya dito. Terminate, no? So, yan, yung word na terminate sa question. This is terminated in the first quadrant. So, ano pong masasabi natin sa angle na yan? Okay, kunyari, angle theta. Okay, this angle theta now will be, yung sine, yung cosine, tsaka tangent. Ito po yung i-test natin. Okay, i-test natin na. So, yung sine, cosine, tsaka tangent. So, dito po sa first quadrant, if i-try niyo guys yung mga acute angles, i-try niyo yung sine, cosine, tangent yung acute angles, you always get a positive value. Okay? Since positive yung values, meaning yung reciprocals nila, ganun din. So, yung cosecant, yung secant, tsaka yung cotangent, all of these are positive as well. Okay? So, theta. Alright? Alright, so lahat po sila positive. Let's go. If, dito na tayo sa next. Okay, if you move from the same starting point, and then punta tayo dito sa, ganito. Ayan. If you terminate somewhere sa second quadrant, okay, so this is, okay, this nag-change. Ayan. Wait, no. Okay, sige. So dito, kunyari yung theta natin guys nag-extend, dito na siya sa second quadrant. So yung sine theta, cosine theta, and tangent theta. Okay? Si theta, asawa ni Theta. Okay. So, sine theta, cosine theta, tangent theta. So, tandaan guys, si sine theta lang guys yung magiging positive. And all other uh, trigonometric functions negative sila. Okay? So, mag-chain reaction po yun. So, yung mga cosecant, secant, uy, uy, uy. Cosecant, secant, tsaka cotangent, it will follow as well. So, positive, negative, tsaka negative. Okay? So, si sine guys yung positive. Okay? So, sumunod lang ito. Okay, next. Kapag sa third quadrant, so ganito. So, dito siya nag-stop. Ganyan. So, if it stops at the third quadrant, what we expect is yung sine, yung cosine, yung tangent. Okay, si tangent po yung magpo-plus, the others will be negative. So, yung cosecant, secant, tsaka cotangent will follow. So, ito plus, minus, minus. Ito po yung nag-plus. Okay, and finally, sa last, okay, hopefully kita natin to. Okay, so sa last part, okay. Ayan, so sa last part, yung sine, cosine, and tangent. So si cosine lang yung positive, yung iba negative. Okay, so cosecant, secant, tsaka cotangent. Negative, positive, negative. All right. Ito po yung ito po yung mnemonics na tinuro na teachers natin. Ano po yung mnemonics natin dito? Ano to? Okay, dalawa. Yung tawag dito. Yung naturo sa amin before guys was ito. All saints go to church. Ito po yung naturo sa amin before. All means all the trigonometric functions are positive. Okay, next, dito po sa second quadrant, saints, sign lang, tsaka yung reciprocal na yung positive. Okay, sa third na quadrant, 2. Tangent, tsaka yung reciprocal niya. And then lastly, si cosine. Church, cosine. Tsaka yung reciprocal. Okay, or pwede, add sugar to coffee. Add sugar to coffee. Okay? Naalala po ba to? Okay, do you remember this one? Okay? So hopefully kita pa rin guys ha, no? Yung kita po ba? Clear lang po ba yan? Alright, so ano pong answer natin? If the secant A is positive and the cosecant A is negative, saan ba siya dito nag-stop? Cosecant negative. Ito, cosecant negative, secant positive. Ayan, ito. Ito po yung answer natin, no? Cosecant is negative and si secant is positive. Dito tayo sa quadrant number 4. Okay? Naiintindihan po ba, guys? Gets po ba? Aray. Alright, thank you. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, tsaka 4. Okay. Sige, push tayo, guys. Okay? Push tayo. So, ano pong examples dito, sir, na nag-involve ng ganito? Sige, check natin na. Okay. Sige, check natin. Let's go. Let's move to number 9. Number 9. Alright. Hopefully, nagna-notes kayo, guys, ha? Okay. Alright. Alright. Ay, sige. Hello po, Sir Villaluz, no? Or si Ma'am Rowena. Nag-request po yung mga students mag-break. Okay lang po ba mag-break tayo ng 5 minutes?
Okay lang, sir. 15 minutes break. 15 minutes, sir. Okay lang.
Sige, 15 minutes. Sige, 15 minutes na lang po. Alright, so guys, if you want to have a break, no, snack break or CR break, you can take a break now. All right, so Sir Villaluz, okay lang po ba tawag dito, um ano bang oras ngayon? Ayan. Sige, mamaya na lang po. Okay lang po ba later on, right before tayo mag resume, sir, may papakita po ako na video right after ng break natin. Okay lang po ba, sir?
Okay lang po.
Alright. Sige, sir. So, guys, we'll have a 15-minute break. Ano pong oras pa ngayon? 3:50. So, let's resume. Resume po tayo. 4:05. 4:05 PM, no? PM. Sige. Resume tayo, guys. Okay? Kasi ka-break. Ako din po. Mag-break din ako. Alright. Sige po. Okay.
Recording stopped.